Hey guys, so as I'm sitting here editing, I decided to throw in a little footage from my senior photo shoot for my senior pictures, and I decided to do that because the vlog was very short, so I decided to just throw this in so you guys can see, the behind the scenes. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy watching.
I've been losing friends and finding peace, but honestly that sound like a fair trade to me. If I ever heard one and I'm still here outside, front line, south side. I've been losing friends and finding peace. Honestly that sound like a fair trade to me. I can buy you that new Birkin, baby, act up. Or I can put you in that Benz, it don't matter. But that G-Wagon do fit you back.
What's up guys, and welcome back to my channel. We're going to be doing a day in the life with me. So today's video is just going to consist of like errands and stuff that I'm doing today, basically, which is not even much. We're going to get ready to go, but the first thing we need to do is our hair. I don't know if I should do a half down or just like, a little slick back. So I don't know if y'all can see that or not, but so the tools that I'm using for those is a brush, a small tooth comb, a wide tooth comb, and some rubber bands. When I do my half a cup down, I don't really do a lot. I just do my hairstyle simple, basically. I also hope you guys like the new intro. I think it's super cute, and the outro. I think they're both super cute. And it didn't really take long to make. So what I do here is just put on baby hairs, just a small tiny bit. Not too much because I don't do my baby hairs anyway. Okay guys, now we're in the car, but it's raining, and girl, it's raining hard. Like, girl, if y'all seen outside, I'm gonna show y'all in a second when I get to the destination. Okay guys, so we are at our first destination, and we're going to two stores, by the way. The first store is a grocery store, and we're supposed to be getting case water, multi-game chips, lettuce, cheddar cheese, cucumbers, orange juice. Wait, how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 14 things. Then from Rite Aid, we're supposed to get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 things. So I'm gonna take y'all along with me, and y'all gonna be seeing how I shop or whatever. And yeah, so this is gonna be a day in the life. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe on my video. Make sure you guys comment down below some video ideas that I should do, because I do need help with ideas. And follow me on all of my socials. Follow my Instagram at Bella Boykins. Follow my Snapchat at Slayvanah, SLAYVANAH, and follow my TikTok at Lauren Bella with 3 A's. So yes guys, let's go. Okay guys, I'm back in the car and now we're going to be headed to our next destination. Then we going home. So yeah guys. Okay guys, so now I am back home and from Rite Aid was like home essential stuff basically. And some other little stuff, goodies. So yeah guys, I'm gonna just see y'all when I see y'all and whatever happens next come next.
Toca la música.
One eternity later. 3 days later. 12 seconds later.
Guys, as you can see, it's like a few days later and right now I'm gonna go get my hair done. And yeah. Okay you guys, as you guys can see, I got my hair done. And yeah, so this will probably conclude today's or the whole vlog. Make sure you guys give this video a like, comment, and share my video and subscribe to my channel if you do want to see more of me. And make sure you guys comment down below some video ideas that I should do. And yeah.
Okay, bye.
Candle, off-white shirt with the off-white sandals. I can beat it up, can you handle?